Hey, welcome. It's Amanda, Creative Gardener, and today I wanted to give you an update on, I call them my spiky plants, but here's their official name. And I have two different varieties growing. This one have got the green leaves, and the other one has got the variegated leaves. And I've got them in several places. I put them in several places of the garden to see how well they would do. And this one by far is the one that has outshone them all. And obviously it's because, it's been growing the longest, but it really does love it where it's been planted. And you can see as I move around it how tall it's grown. It's about, I'd say, 15 feet maybe. I'm 5'8", and but it's reaching for the stars. You can see. So the plant that's kind of obstructing its climb is the moringa tree that's up there, which I wanted to see how high it could grow. I do wonder. I wonder if it grows. What's the maximum growth? So I'm going to have to look that up. But it's also growing next to a avocado plant, and I had to move one of the branches back. This one here was actually over, so I had to move it behind this. And what I'm going to have to do is just cut here, open up this area here, so that the avocado can grow to its heart's content and produce lots of lovely, yummy avocados. But yeah, this one's really, really taken off, and it's kind of spread out in all directions, trying to find its way out. And then it looks like it's taken root here, unless I planted another small one there. I might have done that, because I think one was obstructing the path, just like this one is itching to do. And I had to take a cutting, but I put it there, and that's then growing. And then if we go past it, let's see from this side, you've got all of these coming out and growing. So this spot is, say, semi-shaded. It does get quite a bit of sunshine in the afternoon, mid to late afternoon. And I'll show you where some of the others are planted. I've got one outside my studio, which I've just taken a cutting to see if it would grow. And I've got one growing at the front. But let's see, I'll show you the variegated one. Right, amongst much grass. This is the variegated leaf one. And this one, again, I got both. Hello there. Hey, Carl. Come to say hello. Say hello. Say hello. What do you want? What are you doing? He's gone to see his friend. Okay, so they're both from cuttings. All the ones that I have are from cuttings. And I'm just trying to think. Yeah, it was two different cuttings, so obviously you've got the variegated leaves, unless this one, because it's planted in a different place, decided to do what it's doing. But I really like this one. Like the colours of the leaves, and it's got enough space. It's out in the open. It gets quite a bit of sunshine, and but it's growing a lot slower. I think they need like semi-shade to be at their optimum, because if you come this way, I had mistakenly planted this one and this one here. I've got another one right at the back of the garden that I probably won't be able to see now, because it's kind of been taken over by the Mexican sunflower. But this one's been growing quite well. It's established. I did try and move it, but it was just too, the roots were just too deep. And this one, again, I've just left it here. I think I'd taken a cutting from that one I just showed you and put it here. Because I wasn't familiar with it, I didn't know how they grew. And so, yeah, but it's doing okay. And all I'll do is every now and again just cut back the Mexican sunflower. Let's have a look for the other one. I'll keep you with me. It's around here somewhere, but I think it's way in the deep. We have to go a different way because there's a big spider here that I've allowed to grow across this path. Let's go the other way. Nope, I wasn't able to find it. It's too overtaken by the Mexican sunflower. So we've just come at this from another angle, and it's coming over, wants to go over the path and up into the sky. But yeah, so here's a very lovely plant that's doing well, and I'm still doing some research as to what kind of properties it may have as a plant, and I will let you know. If you've got this plant growing, please do let me know. Please let me know where you've got it grown and how tall it's grown for you. Okay then, so see you later. Stay blessed and be a blessing.